is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. You can drop your finger right. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor.
Hiyo! How you doing? So I thought I'd show you all these bookmarks. I went down a rabbit hole basically. So these heart ones are actually an origami video I've already done, so you can see that at some point. They're made with 3 different size papers, as you can see. Most of my bookmarks are all made with these different sizes. I find the small ones best, but depending on the size of the book you might want to use bigger ones. These butterfly ones are my favourite. This is what started the whole rabbit hole of finding different origami bookmarks. They're so pretty. These ones here, they're very basic corner bookmarks with nothing, no jazz, no thing. They just neatly hide in, and I think they're quite handy if you're just wanting something that doesn't really show much. Whereas these dog ones, they're just cute, and I think they're quite good for little kiddie ones. Again, they're just basic origami, so pretty simple. And these are actually traditional Japanese samurai hat origami that you just make them small enough and they become bookmarks instead of hats. And these are just cute little heart ones. They do need to be used a bit to lay flatter, but as you can see they stick up a bit, but otherwise they're fine. So I'm going to have a video for each one individually, so just check back and you should see them all linked. But otherwise I will see you all later, so take care, bye!